Welcome to this quick and informative 5-minute lesson on learning the essential parts of speech in the English language. Whether you're a student aiming to enhance your grammar or an individual interested in refining your language skills, this video is here to assist you in comprehending the fundamental components of sentences. Let's jump right in. Our first part of speech is nouns. Nouns are the foundational elements of sentences. They identify people, places, objects, or concepts. For instance, cat, London, and happiness are all nouns. Nouns can be categorized as common or proper. While common nouns refer to general items, proper nouns specify unique entities. For example, table is a common noun, while Eiffel Tower is a proper noun. Transitioning to pronouns. Pronouns are substitutes for nouns, eliminating redundancy. They contribute to the smooth flow of sentences. Words such as he, she, it, and they are pronouns. Instead of saying John went to the store and John bought a book, you can simplify it to John went to the store and he bought a book. The subsequent critical part of speech is verbs. Verbs convey actions, states, or events. They serve as the powerhouses of sentences. Words like run, think, and is are verbs. Verbs fall into two categories: action verbs, which depict actions, and linking verbs, which connect subjects to their attributes. Adjectives come next. Adjectives describe nouns, adding depth and vibrancy to sentences. Consider them as the embellishments of language. Words like happy, blue, and delicious are adjectives. They enable you to vividly portray what you're discussing. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They provide further insights into how, when, where, or why something transpired. Adverbs greatly enrich the intricacy of your descriptions. Words like quickly, very, and often are adverbs. For instance, she danced gracefully informs us about how she danced. Moving on to prepositions. Prepositions illustrate relationships between different words in a sentence. They frequently indicate position, time, or direction. Words such as in, on, and under are prepositions. For instance, the book is on the table. Next we have conjunctions. Conjunctions function as the connective tissue of sentences. They link words, phrases, or clauses, showcasing contrast, causality, and other associations. Words like and, but, because, and although are conjunctions. An example of their usage is, I wanted to attend the party, but I needed to study. Lastly, we encounter interjections. These brief outbursts convey intense emotions. Interjections act as the spices of language, infusing sentiment and flavor into your expression. Words like wow, ouch, and yeah are interjections. They are excellent for directly conveying your feelings. And there you have it, a concise overview of the 8 parts of speech: nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. By grasping these foundational elements, you'll be well equipped to craft lucid, captivating, and grammatically precise sentences. Practice incorporating these parts of speech into your daily conversations and writing, and you'll observe substantial enhancement in your language proficiency. Thank you for tuning in, and happy learning.